Or, of course. Yes. So, ayun nga. So now I'm preparing. Kuya, where is the... Ewan. Yeah guys, watch out. Sana nga, sabi nga ni 3D, ma-release daw tong video sa YouTube channel ko. Diyos ko po. Hey!
Yan talaga hindi ko napanood.
A day in my life in Dubai as a photographer. So, watch out.
Sa
Poka. Oh, ayun. Wala. Nothing. Yan. So, okay. Napakuli. So, ano masasabi mo sa shoot mo today?
Baka, huwag mo kami ilagay dyan pag di kami maganda, ha?
O, video man. O, ano ma...
Dapat maganda kami dyan.
Oo, ano masabi mo today? Hello, I am Lee. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a photographer based in Dubai. Good morning guys. Yeah. So, andito ngayon si 30. Yan. Nag-makeup si 30 tsaka ito si Mike. Hi. Ito ang aking bahay. Yes. Ang magulo kong bahay. Yan, meron kaming shoot today. Hi guys, good morning. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Vicky Boss at meron kaming photoshoot for MJ. Yeah. How are you?
I'm good.
O, diba? Ang yan oh, dato. Yan oh. Isa vlog man.
Agad-agad, pwede mag-ayos mo.
Wag na, ayan si Ni.
Hala, ang ganda pa ng fiyang sa persona.
O, diba? Ito naman yung pinakamagandang makeup artist dito sa Dubai. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Jollibee? What about Jollibee for you?
Kahit ano, basta wag spicy. Sobrang anghang kasi spicy masyado yung Jollibee.
Sige, I will, na lang.
And eto, how are you? Introduce yourself.
Para I don't feel any pressures right now. Oh, Janina's Masan Miguel. Okay, I'm confident.
Maluhay ka lang.
I'm confident, you know? No, my name is Michael, you know. Idol ko to si Lee. Ha?
Dali na.
Yeah, my name is Michael and right now I'm so blessed na kasama ko isa one of the idol, the best photographer here in UAE. Yeah. Hello.
Posowoy. Mamaya na nag-i-spray pa si ano pa.
Naku, wala po ako dito.
Ito naman si Nico Palad. Ay, one of the famous here, famous fashion designer in Dubai. So, di ba? So, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Nico. Hello po. Ano sabihin ko? Hi, gano'n. I'm Nico Palad. I'm a designer. And we are here to do a photo shoot for Queen MJ. And we are so excited for the pegs that we have prepared for today's photo shoot. Of course, with the one of the best photographers in the city, Lee Temporal, and the celebrity makeup artist, Terdy Vera, with the glam team of MJ and Mike Garcia. So guys, watch out for the release of this photo shoot of the Queen MJ. Okay guys, see you.
Akala ko, yung release ng video kung kailan. Kaya sinasabi ni 30, pag talaga hindi lumabas yan.
Maganda ako dyan kasi ang ganda ng camera.
Ngayon, ang ganda oh. Very queen.
Okay.
I'm good.
Introduce introduce yourself.
I'm MJ Traya, Mrs. Tourism Globe 2024, and I'm enjoying my day. This is my adventure, MJ. And we're doing a photo shoot with, of course, the one and only. Watch dapat mapanood ko to Okay na. MJ Traya, Mrs. Tourism Grove 2024. And we're here now in Vicky Boss, of course, together with our professional photographer. And this is my dream photo shoot. And together with the glam, the one and only, the magician. Fantastic. Yeah, the magician. This is the team of magician. Yeah.
Naloka ako sa magician.
Yeah.
Pero tignan mo naman si Fiang. Oh, Fiang.
Magician talaga yung
So, yun nga guys, watch out. Sana nga, sabi nga ni 3D, ma-release daw tong video sa YouTube channel ko. Diyos ko po. Hey! A day in my life in Dubai as a photographer. So, watch out. Poka. How are you, brother?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
What's your name?
My name's Salman. Vicky Boss Studio staff. So,
Okay.
how are you? And how are you?
Oh, I'm good, of course. Yeah. So, ayan. Guys, si Salman. Salman, right?
Yeah, Salman.
Yes. Thank you, Salman. Yeah, this is the Nico palette collection. Yes. So, what can you say about your collection?
Nothing.
Yan. So, okay. Okay. Ayun nga. So now I'm preparing. Kuya, where is the... Ewan. Ako ay... Chinay ko nga, pero hindi naman yung sinabi na i-charge yun. Kahit ano. Ano ba yung order nyo?
Nag-Jollibee na lang yung chicken.
Oh.
Guys, so ano na tayo?
Sige. I-barbecue.
Barbecue.
Oo. Hi, sir. Hindi ko alam. Hi, guys. So ano masasabi mo sa shoot mo today?
Baka huwag mo kaming ilagay dyan pag hindi kami maganda.
Video man. Oh, ano ma...
Dapat maganda kami dyan.
Oh. Oo, ano masabi mo today?
Unforgettable experience.
Oh.
Meron. Ay,
Ano ba? Tapos yung, pagkatapos ng post na yun, Max, yung nakagalaw na. Mamaya.